Alright, let's begin with greetings. They're the first words you exchange with someone, so it's important to make them sound polished and create a positive impression. First impressions matter a great deal. Often, students say, "How are you?" and respond with, "I am fine, thank you, and you?" However, this can come across as stiff and unnatural, which doesn't leave the best impression. Let's explore 4 alternative greetings that sound more natural. First, "How are you?" is acceptable, but let's pronounce it more naturally. How and are blend together, sounding like "hower." So, it becomes "How are you?" Perfect. Second option, "How's everything?" Here how and is merge into how's. So, it's "How's everything?" Nice. Third option, "How's it going?" In this case, "How is it?" flows together as "How's it?" and "going" softens the ing ending, sounding like "going." So, it's "How's it going?" Great. If you're at work, you can ask, "How's work?" Again, how and is combine into how's. So, it's "How's work?" Excellent. Now you have 4 fresh ways to greet someone. Next, let's work on responses. Saying, "I am fine, thank you, and you?" doesn't sound natural. A simple and versatile response that works for any of these greetings is, "I'm good." That's all you need. "I'm good." After that, you'll want to ask the other person how they're doing. A natural way to do this is by saying, "How about you?" Here, how and about blend into how about with the a in about dropping off. So, it becomes, "How about you?" Putting it all together, "I'm good, how about you?" Well done. I hope you get the chance to use these greetings soon. They'll make your conversations flow more naturally.